So this oil cooler assembly is from Dodge Journey Fiat Freemont with around 160,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles. It's 2014, so revised one. Very common in Jeeps, Dodges, and other Chrysler cars. And the reason for failure is the fact that it has plastic cover, and if we will take down the oil cooler itself, you can clearly see the sealings. At first glance, you notice that the sealing itself is broken and snapped. So this one is oil seal and this one is coolant seal. And if we will take it out, you will see that it's not the fact that the seal is broken, it is, but additionally there is a missing piece of plastic here which collapsed and probably went down into the oil line somewhere. And here the second pair of the sealants is fine and the plastic there is intact. So the reason is not about how much torque you put during installation of oil filter, but the weakness of the material used. So here it didn't yet snap, although there is a small uneven surface here, and here it snapped and causes the oil leakage. And second issue is, if we turn around this assembly, we see here also damaged seal with snapped plastic underneath the coolant line. So it was leaking coolant also here and some of the oil from the oil cooler itself. So it is not because of the amount of force used to screw in the oil filter, which probably wraps the assembly, but it's really due to the material used because it's next to the seal itself, as well on this side and as well on this side. Therefore, I recommend using the aftermarket aluminum assembly, and you can either transfer the oil cooler itself into it, plus the pressure sensor and coolant sensor, or buy the whole assembly. Alright, that's it.